Hey everyone, welcome to Organic One. This course is a 6-week course and it will start on May the 19th and end up in June 27th. In this video, I'll go over the structure of the course and what platforms you need for the course. First, this is my direct cell phone number in case you need any help, in case there's anything you don't understand. Please do not hesitate to text, call, or to send an email. You can send an email either through the mail.wvu.edu or through the Mix account. It doesn't matter. I check both of them, but please make sure that you stay in contact if there is anything that you do not understand. So what do we need for this course? We actually need two platforms. We need a Cengage Unlimited platform, and the one that we need is the one-term subscription. You do have two options, you guys. Either you can buy it through the library, or you can buy it through the website, which is the cengageunlimited.com. But if you go ahead and buy it through the Cengage Unlimited, please make sure that you choose the right package. Because if you choose the wrong package, then it's so hard to get your money back. Okay? The list price for the package is the 149.99, and this is the Cengage Unlimited, and it is a one term, not a 1 year. It's a one-term subscription. This is done specifically for the summer. Now, if you are taking organic in the spring, let's say you're taking organic 2 in the spring, then I would recommend that you get the 1 year package and not the one-term package. Okay, the 1 year package is a little bit more expensive than that of the one-term package, but the one-term package is the one that we need for summer 1 and summer 2, organic 1 and 2, um, for subscription. Okay. In this package, you will have access to the organic book. You will have access to the solution manual, and you're going to have access also to the lab textbook in case you are taking the lab. All of those, this is a one-time purchase, and we are going to use this for both organic 1 and we're gonna use it for organic 2. If you want to purchase directly through the bookstore, this is the ISBN number. If not, then you can purchase through cengage.com. So let me walk you through the steps of okay, so let me walk you through the steps in there of the purchase. So if you go to CHEM 233 page, go to course content, and over here what you see is the syllabus of the course and my contact information. So you can open the syllabus and read the syllabus. I sent you earlier an invitation to Google Drive access, and this is where you can access the Google Drive. The reason why we are using Google Drive, because we are going to do a question answer session meetings before every exam. Those meetings are going to be recorded, and in case that you cannot attend those meetings, because the attendance is not mandatory, so if you cannot attend those meetings, you have access. You can go there and watch the recorded videos. Okay, so for this Engage, you are going to go into the OWL introduction folder. This is how to register, and there's a short movie in there, video that you need to watch that walks you through what you need to do in order to register for Cengage. And then after you watch this video, you can either watch the video or read the PDF, either one. After you watch the video, you guys, you are going to go to links to ebooks and OWL assignments. And you're going to hit that, and you're going to press on any of those links. I would press on Organic 1 Summer 2025. and walk through the steps. It's gonna open a 7 day trial for you. You don't have to pay money for 7 days, but after the 7 days, you need to proceed with your purchase. If you need an extension, for the trial period, just let me know. Okay, so privately let me know, and I'll contact the customer service, and I'll get you that extension, but you just need to let me know. This is for the subscription for Cengage. Now, if you buy your code from the library, then from the bookstore, then you can go ahead and press this link over here. Same thing, press this link. It's going to ask you to put a code. You put the code of purchase, and then you can have direct access. But as I said, I want everybody to enroll in the trial period of 7 days so that you can start accessing Cengage right away and to start working your assignments. This is a 6 week course and you cannot accumulate the assignments. So I want everybody to be enrolled and everybody can access the assignments without paying for the first 7 days. Okay. If you have any questions on Cengage, you need to let me know. There is a Cengage technical support as well, so you can contact them. But also let me know if there's anything that I can help. I'll go ahead and do it. You do have the link for the solution manual in there, and pretty much everything that you need for Cengage. Anytime that you want to access any of your assignments, you can press on any of those icons in here and you can access your assignments. Also, the assignments are embedded in every single chapter. That is regarding the Cengage, okay? Access. Now, one thing that I want to say, if you are repeating the course and you already have a Cengage account, you already purchased Cengage for organic, and you are repeating the course, please, please do not purchase again. Let me know and I'll get a code for you so that you can enter and access without paying again. Another platform that we are using is the Top Hat platform. I already sent you an invitation with the class code for Top Hat, and the code is this. It's 413228. You can purchase through the bookstore, uh, um, or you can go ahead and accept the invitation that I sent you and purchase through tophat.com. Whatever is convenient for you. This is our code class. If you have any questions enrolling in Top Hat, please let me know. I might be able to help you. You guys, if you look at the course outline, every chapter should have two owl assignments, one top hat assignment, and a quiz. With respect to the assignments, those are the due dates of those assignments is going to be pushed all the way until the end of the semester. So please go over the syllabus to check the due dates for the assignments. However, I really recommend that you follow the due dates of the course outline. So these are the recommended due dates for the assignments, but the due date for the quizzes are fixed. So pay attention. Quizzes for chapters 1, 2, and 3, these are due on May the 27th at 11:55 p.m. It is recommended that you finish your assignments for these three chapters before exam 1 on May the 27th, but if you need more time, then we can simply push the due date until June 27th, 11:55 p.m. This is your deadline, you guys, to submit all your assignments, OWL and Top Hat. Now, for these assignments, because you're going to be spending some time on them, if you complete all of these assignments, then you're going to get the full percentage of those assignments. The assignments is 17% of your grade, so you're going to get all the 17%. if you finish those assignments at the due date. Okay. So this is regarding your assignments in there. Now for the Teams meeting, the Teams meeting is going to be a question answer revision session before every exam. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to email your Teams link a day before the revision session. And if you want to attend the revision session, then please accept the invitation. If not, then please decline it. And if you cannot attend, then and you have a lot of questions or you have questions, you can go ahead and email me your questions. I'll answer those during the Teams meeting as well. As I mentioned before, the Teams meeting is recorded and is going to be posted on Google Drive for you to access that. With respect to the exams, there are 2 times for the exams, and I did this so that it's more convenient for you. So, for example, every exam, starting from exam 1, it's going to be administered from 9 to 10 a.m. and from 8:15 to 9:15 p.m. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send an email for everybody. This is going to be a Teams link, 2 links actually, for both of these times. So what I'm expecting from you is to choose a time and accept one invitation and decline the other. You have to accept one and decline the other so that I know which one are you doing. You cannot accept both. This is considered to be cheating. So pay attention to that. You are going to receive this email from me soon, before May 28th, before the exam date. So please make sure to accept one invitation and decline the other. Please look at the dates, at the exam dates in there, and let me know if there is any conflict or anything like this, so that we can reschedule the exam for you. The final exam is set, and it's going to be either from 9 till 11 a.m. or 8:15 to 10:15 p.m. So it's either one of these times. You're going to pick a time, choose it, accept the invitation for one, and decline the other. So that is regarding the exam in there. With respect to the to every exam, so every exam is worth 100 points, and then you have a bonus of 15 points. um, this is a form of either a question answer mechanism question or a multiple choice question that you would need to answer at the end of every exam. So the points that you get on this bonus will be added to your exam grade. Um, with respect to the the final exam is 25% of your grade, and the final exam is going to have an assessment exam. That assessment exam is a practice exam for the final. This one is going to be posted on Top Hat. So let's see if I go to Top Hat over here. Okay, these are your assignments, these are your quizzes, and you do have practice exams. Um, you have practice exam 1, 2, and 3. Those practice exams are exams that I gave last year, so please practice those. In the assessment exam, this is going to be a practice exam for the final. It is going to be open for you, but do not access it right now. Just leave it until the end, because I think this one is a one-time access. So leave it until the end, until you have all the material in there, um, until you cover all the material. Once you cover all the material before the final exam, please go ahead and do that. It's going to be due on June the 26th, not the 27th, the 26th at 11:55 p.m. There will be no extension. Again, this one is going to serve as a practice exam, so do it. It's going to be graded based on completion. So if you complete it, then it's going to be 15 points added to your final exam grade. So that is regarding the exam in there. The Top Hat assignments, you can find them over here. I've listed all of the assignments for all the 11 chapters together with the quizzes as well. So every top hat will have one assignment and one quiz. For the exams, you're going to access the exams from the exam folder on top hat on the day of the exam. So on the day of the exam, you have to check in. So please read that section for the exam and for the check-in for the exam. You would need to have a laptop or a desktop with you, and you would need to have an active camera, and you would need to have an ID. So please pay attention to that. I need an ID with a picture of yourself. The ID does not necessarily has to be a WFU, have to be a WFU ID. It can be any ID like a driver's license that has your picture. In addition to your scratch papers in there, I would need to see them. If there's any tables, any sheets, anything like this that you're allowed to bring to the exam, I would need to see those as well. So when we start the exam, again, the exam is going to be proctored, and I would ask you to show your ID. Your camera has to be positioned at your face all the time during the exam. You are not allowed to leave the exam because if you leave the exam, you're going to be locked out. So pay attention to that. Once you are done from the exam and you submit the exam, then you can leave. During the exam, you need to have the camera positioned at your face, and I need to see you during the exam. So again, please, these are the rules, and please work around these rules in there. So let's say, for example, if you get locked out of the exam, I would go ahead and review the cameras, and then I would log you back in. Sometimes if you have a weak internet connection, you will be locked out of the exam, so you just need to let me know. You guys, on the day of the exam, once you access the Teams link for the exam, you are going to be admitted into a waiting room. So please be patient until everybody is here so that I can admit everybody to the exam. Okay. Um, so that is regarding the exam. Exams, they are not open book. Um, Okay, so we've talked about all of those. You can take your time and read through the syllabus. So if we go to let's see, if I go to the regular CHEM 233 page, a typical chapter will look like this. So you're going to go into the chapter. And in the chapter, there is the lecture material. Now, the lecture material has the class notes in there. These are the notes that I use when I'm explaining the lecture. So you have here the YouTube video lectures, and these are I did divide the chapters into parts in there. So when you are watching, just make sure that you watch those in order. So watch the chapter, and after you watch the chapter, this is the class notes that you are going to follow up with the YouTube lecture. After you do this, then you go ahead and you do the homework assignments. Okay. Now you can, before the homework assignments, take a look at the extra problems and the key. These are not homework. These are extra problems, and those extra problems, they are provided with their detailed key. The first chapter has a quite a few of extra problems and their key in there because this is a revision of 115 and some of the 116 concepts. So this is why you have quite a few um, problem sets. But these problem sets, they really come in handy. So just take a look at them, browse them before you go ahead and you start your homework assignments. So for the homework assignments, we have two types of homework assignments. We have the OWL, we have the top hat assignments in there. Everything is embedded. So you click on it and you go straight to your homework assignments, finish that, and go to your top hat and do the quiz assignments as well. Okay. The related tables are basically what you can have in the exam. So if a chapter has a related table sheets, then this means that you can bring those sheets and print those sheets and bring them to the exam. Okay, guys. So we're gonna make it short over here. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. So please do not hesitate. Start studying. Start working on chapters 1, 2, and 3. If you have questions, you know how to reach me. I'm always here for you. So you just need to let me know.